Good morning, everyone. I need a reset. What I mean by that is that I need a day where I do all the things that I've been putting off doing for the past month, because I've been working non-stop on the van conversion and I feel like it's been taking all my energy, whether it's physical or mental. You know what they say with like when you have too many thoughts in your head and it's like any actions that you need to do, it's like having too many tabs open in your computer and then eventually you're gonna crash. That is exactly how my head is feeling. So I just need to clear it out so that I can just concentrate on what I'm doing. And the first thing I've been wanting to do for ages, and I'm really embarrassed to say that I haven't done in 3 months, is to go for a nice walk in the mountains. I knew that there was a chamois living in the forest in the back of the house, because sometimes he would come and visit Svetlan when he was here. He would come so close to the fence, like less than 5 meters, and Svetlan would just sit and look at him and they would just stare at each other. And I've never been able to get any footage of it because any time that I would try and get out, then he would run away. But today I actually saw 2, so I wonder if it's a couple. That was the 3rd salamander I saw in the space of an hour. They love it when it's nice and moist, and yesterday rained, so they're all out, and I just love how they look. They look like they are just out of a sci-fi movie or something, and I have never seen as many salamanders since I moved back to Italy, and I'm actually curious what their distribution is. Are there salamanders in your country? Oh boy, that's huge. Ah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're massive. Task number 1 is complete, and that felt so good, and I was so lucky to see those chamois. The next thing that I need to do is something that I used to dread so much, which is cleaning the house. Lately I've actually enjoyed it a little bit more because I switched to the Blueland products. Blueland is actually the sponsor of this video, and they make planet-friendly cleaning products. I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about those. I'm gonna start with the bathroom, then do the kitchen, then go upstairs. And if you stick here, I am actually gonna show you an updated tour of the house, of the rooms that have changed since the last time I showed you. So let's go do it. Blueland makes eco-friendly, refillable cleaners with no single-use plastic. The idea is simple: buy the bottle once, refill forever. I had already tried their foaming hand soap and loved it. This time I decided to go with their Clean Essential Kit, which includes a multi-surface cleaner, a bathroom cleaner, a glass and mirror cleaner, and the foaming hand soap. The cleaning task that I dislike the most is cleaning the windows. There was a time where I nearly couldn't see outside my bathroom window due to lap scale. But their glass and mirror cleaner makes the task quick and streak-free, so now I don't have to dread it as much. Their products work, they're affordable, and they're friendly both to the environment and to the people. Blueland doesn't use single-use plastic in any component, whether it's bottles, tablets, their wrappers, or the packaging that they use for the shipping. Their tablets are affordable, starting at only $2.25, and you also have the option of saving more by buying them in bulk.
Subscriptions are also available, so you never have to worry about running out of your favorite cleaning products.
The house is nice and clean. And boy, yeah, as I said, not my favorite thing to do, but using nice products does make it a little bit better. Whether you like cleaning or not, you will find in the description bar the link to the Blueland products. They're actually having the biggest sale of the year right now. So if you're in the market for sustainable cleaning products, so you know anybody that would enjoy that as a gift, then please go ahead and check them out. Now I think I'm gonna give you a very quick tour of the rooms that changed since the last time I did the house tour. If you haven't seen that, it's here. Let's start with my favorite room, the room we are in right now, the studio. I was about to show you around, but then it got dark so suddenly, and there's a few things that I need to do outside actually, and you wouldn't be able to see anything. So I think this one-day reset is gonna be a two-day reset. So I shall see you tomorrow morning. Hello everyone. Now we have some light. Ta-da! So here's where I make all of my jewelry, where I pack the orders, and where I also exercise. There's a big mirror just over there. I added this shelving unit. I made a video about it and I love it. This is a table that used to be in the garden, and what I'm thinking to do with this is to add some cabinets on the side to close the sides and also have more storage, because you probably can see it's a mess down there and it's a mess up there. So yeah, that's gonna be another fun job. Here's the updated bedroom. I think that corner over there kind of changed since last time, and I do need to add a headboard, and also I think I will build again a different bed, maybe a wooden frame. And here is the living room. Actually, that must be my favorite corner in the house. I just love this hanging chair with the lamp that I built. It just looks perfect. And I added that storage space for the books because initially I thought this would be my library, but I realized that those shelves do not hold the weight and I need to think of something else. This is why they're looking a little bit empty. The couch needs to be upholstered. I really don't like this color, but again, that's not a priority. And here I have my bank projector. I don't have a TV. I only use this when I want to watch films. And there I have like a white sheet that I can pull down and yeah, watch films. The next thing that I need to do, it's quite urgent, and I've been putting it off for quite a while, is to clean the fume tubes of the wood stoves. It's something that you need to get done every year because it decreases the chances of your house burning down basically. So it's really important to get it done, but it's just a dirty, annoying job. But yeah, today we're gonna do all the things that we don't want to do, so let's go do it. It's raining, but I really need to get it done today because otherwise I know that I will just not do it. If you don't have a wood stove, did you know that you have to clean them yearly? I didn't know the things you learn, right? I'm a little bit hesitant of doing the second one because I suspect that there's a wasp of Asian hornet or Vespa velutina. I saw them coming out that way, and when I try to light the second wood stove, then the smoke comes out as if the inside the house, as if there was a blockage in there. So I think that now it's a good moment to do, because obviously they are dead, they are in the larva stage. So let's see if we can kind of unblock it. definitely a wasp nest inside there. It's a total wasp cemetery. There's even pieces of their nest. Oh, there's a huge piece just there. Oh my god, it's so slushy. Ew! Well, I guess you could say that I had good reasons to procrastinate this job. And I'm sorry if I'm showing you this many insects in this vlog. But this is just the reality of living here. There's, you know, insects pretty much everywhere. And normally I'm not icky, but those things are aggressive and they're not... They're bad. Not only for humans, but also they kill the actual bees. Look at how huge they are. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, don't watch if you're sensitive, but look, you can even see the larvae of the thing. It's already kind of half formed. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is what came out of the pipes. I think I might be ready to start my own chimney sweeping business. So call now for a cheap, quick, and sexy chimney sweeper. Whilst I was here, I realized that I actually need to pull up those parsnips. Those are parsnips. Those are parsnips over there. And I don't have big expectations for those because I didn't put them in very deep vases, so I don't think they grew a lot. But let's see what we got. Those are by far the leggiest plantains I've ever seen. There was actually one that I'm going to show you. Yeah, that's the one. This one looks like an UFO. It's like each one of them has its own character, and this one totally looks like an UFO or a jellyfish, like blah. Anyway, enough with my parsnips. I do have a few other things that I need to get done that I've been putting off, but those are more bureaucracy, Excel, receipts, accountants kind of stuff. So I'm gonna spare you that, but I will get it done later today. Anyway, I hope this does push you to get things done. And once again, the link to the Blueland site will be in the description if you're looking for products that will keep your house clean, but that will lessen your environmental impact. Then I would highly suggest checking them out, and I shall see you very soon. Bye! Use them up a lot and eat a lot of them. I would highly suggest. Shut up. And sexy. And sexy. And sexy!